For over 70 years, the Royal Air Force Police Dog Display Team have been entertaining crowds, large and small. With their unique blend of military ceremony and daredevil dogs, generations of RAF Police men and women have committed themselves to the endless hours of training and rehearsing required to produce every display. The RAF Police Dog Display Team epitomise the values and ethos of the Royal Air Force. Respect, integrity, service and excellence define who we are, and we are proud to present this short virtual display of the Royal Air Force Police and their dogs.
Stay. Get up. Yo. Get up. Yo. Get up. Get up. Good girl. Good girl. Girl.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all the team's scheduled appearances were understandably cancelled. During lockdown, the team returned to their primary role, patrolling their home stations in order to deter and detect would-be intruders, and when required to, detain any unauthorised individuals seeking to gain access to the assets of the Royal Air Force. This year's team leader is Corporal Cooper with military working dog Rhea. Based at RAF Coningsby, they are a crucial asset protecting the quick reaction aircraft who in turn defend UK airspace. Rhea has been taught the ladders, which makes its return to our display after a few years' absence. This tricky obstacle demonstrates a huge amount of strength, control and trust between handler and dog. Her ability to negotiate an obstacle like this just goes to show there really is nowhere to hide from an RAF police dog. These committed individuals choose to represent the Royal Air Force and the RAF Police, sacrificing their own time in order to show the world the hard work and dedication they have devoted to training their dog. Returning for his third year in the display team, Corporal Taylor and military working dog Gusty are a firm, proud favourite. Equally at home, tracking a suspect or fetching his dad's hat, Gusty and Corporal Taylor are the backbone of the team. Four new members make up the rest of the team. From RAF Marham, Corporal White and military working dog Dara, and Corporal Mundy and military working dog Nina. From RAF Waddington, Corporal Corden and military working dog Bruce. And last but by no means least, representing RAF Bryce Norton, Corporal Walsh and military working dog Xantos. Since 1949, members of the public, senior officers, and even members of the royal family have enjoyed man's best friend, demonstrating feats of bravery, agility, and control. RAF Police dog handlers have never stopped working, diligently maintaining the welfare and training of their dogs and keeping their 24/7, 365-day-a-year watchful guard over RAF stations around the world.